sagging, bouncing, or uneven floors? Standing water or high humidity, nasty odors, or dangerous mold? Crawl space problems don't get better with time, but they do get better when you call APS.
This is the afternoon daily weather briefing. This is for Wednesday, the 29th of June. I'm James Spann. We've got scattered, random showers and thunderstorms across the state again today. Some of you getting soaked, some of you getting nothing. And that pattern will be persisting for a while. It's good old summertime. We'll start with the upper air look across the country today. And again, the core of the really, really hot weather is west of here. And again, we have a stalled surface boundary near Interstate 59 in the process of really washing out. You can see a field of cumulus clouds across the state today. That's the visible satellite view. So far, the really most active convection has been down across the southwestern counties of the state. That was the radar composite around 2:15. Number of thunderstorms down around the Alabama Gulf Coast today, parts of the Florida Panhandle and southwest Alabama. But storms are developing over the northern half of the state, and we'll see those increasing over the next several hours. Those will be active through about 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock tonight. But again, it will not rain everywhere. You know the deal. It's a thunderstorm lottery like we have every afternoon. Temperatures are mostly in the 80s. Tuscaloosa, the hot spot, they've got 92. Other spots are mostly mid to upper 80s. Birmingham at 89. And around the region, temperatures pretty close to average for this time of the year. We'll check the watch warning map. A very quiet late June day across the United States. Here's the severe weather outlook through tonight. We've got a slight risk, the standard level 2 out of 5 risk over parts of the Dakotas. And again, this is their tornado season there this time of the year. This is tomorrow, a marginal risk from the plains of Colorado to upper Michigan. And on day 3, which is Friday, no organized severe weather expected across the country. Here's the rain for the next 7 days. And again, we're going to have showers and storms around every day. But there is absolutely no skill in telling you exactly who gets the rain, when, where, every day. They tend to be very random. But on a cumulative basis over the next 5 days, most spots should see some pretty decent rain. Average amounts, we'll say 1/2 to 2 inches between now and Wednesday morning of next week. So on to the tropics. We've got 3 areas to watch. This is the 2-day outlook from the National Hurricane Center. We've got a wave in the western Gulf. We have PTC number 2, the red X, potential tropical cyclone number 2 in the far southern Caribbean. That's basically on the coast of South America. And a weak wave out in the central Atlantic. This is the 5-day outlook, and the wave in the Gulf will be moving onto the Texas coast tonight. PTC number 2 is going to hug the coast of South America tonight, and that wave in the Atlantic will be approaching the Lesser Antilles, but again, just a low chance of any development there. Let's take a look at the system in the Gulf, and again, this is that wave in the western Gulf of Mexico. There's no closed circulation. This is not a depression, but one way or another, the impact will basically be the same for Texas, in that this could bring some heavy rain to parts of the Texas coastal plain tonight and tomorrow. And you can see that tropical moisture will likely feed up toward Dallas, Fort Worth, and Oklahoma City. They could see increased rain chances later this week, but that stays far west of Alabama. PTC number 2, potential tropical cyclone number 2, again, is hugging the coast of South America. And the interaction with land is really making it hard for this thing to develop. It's also moving in a very rapid clip. This is the latest forecast coming from the National Hurricane Center. They bring it into the coast of Central America. Nicaragua is a tropical storm Friday night, and this could bring some heavy rain to Central America. Thankfully, it should keep on moving pretty quickly and wind up in the Pacific by the time the weekend gets here. So model fans, let's go. Here's the GFS. This is the 12Z run, valid tomorrow afternoon at 4. This is about 18,000 feet off the ground. Pretty classic summer look. We've got the mid-latitude westerlies north on top of the ridge that covers the deep south. And again, that stall surface boundary is going to wash out. So anybody could see a shower or storm tomorrow. They'll be most active from about 2 until 11 or 10 for the northern half of the state. High should be in the upper 80s. And really, that's going to be the theme for a while. This is Friday. Same deal, mixture of clouds and sunshine, scattered mostly afternoon and evening showers and storms. We say that a lot this time of the year. And that'll be the theme for the 4th of July weekend. This is Saturday. This is Sunday. And understand those green spots, that's not exactly where it's going to be raining. And this is Monday, Independence Day. The sun will be out at times, and from time to time we'll have showers and storms around. We can't tell you who gets the rain. You just have to watch the radar trends. Not a washout, very standard for this time of the year. Highs for the holiday weekend between 86 and 90. We'll go to Tuesday. Evidence might be a little drier, a little hotter toward the middle of next week. And this is a week from today, Wednesday, the 6th of July. Again, the core of the heat may be a little west of here, but hot, muggy, highs around 90. Maybe a pop-up storm in spots. We'll go out 10 days. This is Saturday, the 9th of July. Big ridge out west, a trough over the northeastern states, a light northwest flow aloft here, and evidence of front could be just north of here. That might bring an increased coverage of showers and thunderstorms around then. Here's a look at the rain for Birmingham off the GFS ensemble. The green line, that's the mean of all the members, about 3 inches over the next 15 days. Look at temperatures coming off the national blend of models, and these numbers are just not that bad for this time of the year. Highs, again, around 90 next week, maybe low 90s. And this is the latest guidance coming in from the CPC, 8 to 14 days out. This is for July 7th through July 13th. The core of the heat, again, a little west of here, but temperatures could be a little above average at that point. So that's going to do it for the daily briefing this afternoon. We're doing these live now. If you're just joining our YouTube channel, again, we're getting some folks in the process of moving over from the old one to the new one, but we'll be here with these daily briefings. Weather Brains has its own YouTube channel. You can go there and follow that. We'll put all the links up on weatherbrains.com, the website here. But anyway, we're live about 5:15 every weekday morning, around 2:30 weekday afternoons. And we'll keep you up to date on what's going on here. But that's it for the Weather Extreme video this afternoon. We'll have notes on the blog. Next video here tomorrow morning about 5:15. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.
Sinking driveway? Call Alabama Professional Services. Settling patio? Call APS. Uneven pool deck? Call APS. Collapsing stoop? Call APS. Cracking sidewalk? That's right. Call APS. It's a fact. Concrete problems don't get better with time, but they do get better when you call APS. Call Alabama Professional Services today.